Hi, bestie. Welcome to my channel. So glad you decided to join me today. Today, I am cash stuffing my cash wallet for the week. I typically do this on a weekly basis, instead of just doing it for the entire month. And so far, I'm liking it. This is, I believe, my third week of doing the cash stuffing into the wallet. So let's go ahead and see how much money that I have for the week. All of this will not be going into my cash wallet, but some of it will be going towards different saving challenges that I'm doing for the week as well. So how often do you set up your cash wallet? Do you do it weekly or do you do it based on your pay period or monthly? And if you tried multiple different times when you do your cash wallet, what have you found that works best for you? So from this amount, I will be cash stuffing into my wallet for the week, $80, and I'll be cash stuffing into only 3 categories this week. So first, let's cash stuff the food category, and I'll be adding $50. So next, let's add $10 for gas. So the last category that I'll be cash stuffing into my wallet today is for miscellaneous, and that's $20. Thank you so much for joining me for this week of setting up my cash wallet. I did cash stuff a total of $80 for the week. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Toodles.